Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can reposition the image within the window if you can't see all of the image at the current magnification level. To do this, click the Hand tool in the toolbox. When you roll your mouse pointer back over the magnified image, you will see it turn into a hand icon. Click and drag to move the image around within the picture frame. This is a very handy tool to use when you must select something off to the side of the window frame when you are zoomed in very close. To activate the Hand tool when you have another tool selected, simply hold down the spacebar key on your keyboard and then click and drag to use the Hand tool. When you release the spacebar key, whichever tool you were using will then be re-enabled. You can also use the Navigator Panel to move around, select different parts of the image to view, and change your magnification. To display the Navigator Panel, choose Window, Navigator from the menu bar. Then use the slider in the Navigator Panel to increase or decrease the magnification. The content displayed in the image window is the same area enclosed within the red box in the Navigator Panel. You can click and drag the red box in the Navigator Panel to select which section of the image to show within the image window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.